clock's ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
What's up, everybody? You see that gold and silver today? Gold dropped over 100 at one point. It was trading 49.83. Silver dropped all the way down to 102 and change, 101.70. Hey, good morning. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Stephen Kalayjian. How are you? This gold, really, I got to tell you, man, we should start the stream like 8:55, 7:55. I mean, because gold just pushed up into the 29 range. It just dropped 10, right? And you got these beautiful buy divergences here on silver. Anyway, what's up, everybody? We're going to do 10 raffles tonight. Look at this gold get kabooshed. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Silver's down 7%. Look at this. Look at this silver. I take a scalp short on silver, 107.35 to 75 here. How's everybody doing today? What happened? Can I send you a screenshot how I bought him ticked reversal gold? I don't even know what that means. How is everybody here? Bear Trader, what's going on? Silver, of course, ticks up to 41. You see how fast this silver trades, Jeff? You see how fast? Good Lord. Good Lord. Wow. Seconds. It just dropped 30 cents. Seconds. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Seconds. How is everybody tonight? How's everybody tonight? What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hope everybody had a great evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and remember about 8 months ago, I said we should all be looking to trade gold. Covered as silver below 30 if you're short. I said you people should start trading gold and silver. I'm like, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? I'll short this silver again here, 108, 108.10 to 108.45.50 range. Look at this silver, nonstop, month on. Wow, wow. Asking one question, is pound dollar going up or down? Let's see. Hello, Julian. How are you, Julian? Hey, let's see here. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? All right. Let's see if this silver was a great long right here, man. Silver just ran $4. See that? It's amazing, man. Unbelievable. Nope. Don't let. Beautiful. Hello, Jessica. How are you, Jess? Where's the silver going, man? Silver hit 117 and change. Can you believe it? And then gold rallied. Boom. This silver is going to drop here. This silver should drop. Okay, I'd be shorting this silver here. I'd be shorting this silver. This silver has got to drop here. 08.95 up to 109.40. This silver should drop here. Look at this gold, too. That's the 15-minute time. This gold and silver should drop. Great day in silver. Look at this silver drop here. Look to cover between the 70 and 90 range. Oof. This silver just ran $5. Can you believe it? This is a beautiful long right here. Okay, first pullback on the 5 after the 15. Look to cover this silver anywhere between the 75 and 05 range if it drops. There you go, 450. BB Rich, how are you? All right, this silver. Now, if this is a double blue buy here, the 15s and 30s are about to reverse. Look at this silver drop. There you go. Just trade this silver. Unbelievable. Wow. Silver just got kabooshed. Kabooshed. It just kabooshed. Oh, that was a beautiful long right here on the when the 5 got oversold against the algorithm here. Where's this gold going, man? All right, making new highs on the Asia session here. Short this gold here, 09.40 up to 90 range. You got to go wide like every 10. Look at this gold rally. Jesus Christ. Where's gold going? You think gold? Okay, so here's the thing. Does gold go to 4,800 first or 5,300 first? Lower your stops on silver. Iceman, great job, Iceman. 5Gs. Iceman, you should be listening to me. Gold dropping. Wow, look at the silver drop. Look at the silver drop. Look at the silver. Silver drop. What happened? Plus 14? What do you mean? Good job, Oscar. Great job, Rocky Mountain. I think 4,800 first, and then I think you buy the world, right? Then I think we buy the world. All right, let's short this silver here again. 109.55 up to 10. I would say 109.95 range. This silver is going to drop. If you're still short, lower your stops on silver. I really want to see this just passing on 1,500 gold sell. Gold was along there off the 15. Had I come in here, look at a silver drop. So basically, you got the negative MACDs on the 30 and 60 here. That's going to halt the silver. Silver's getting kabooshed. Who said you can't short it? Then to the moon and then to the gutters? No, you can't trade like that. Oh, I would love gold down 300. Man, oh man, I'd back up the truck. Just hard to buy it up here, though. All right, I would take a short here on this gold, 50.52 up to 58. I'd scalp the short against the negative MACDs here. You go 54 to 60 range on the gold, 52, 56, 52, 50, 60, 54, 60 range. Who said it was 128 in China? See if this gold and silver could drop here. These 60-minute time frames really held silver. If you look at the 60-minute time frames, you can see even though you were in a negative trend, these 60 minutes really got deeply oversold here. Gold's dropping. Let's get him, Mikey Jacques. Get in there. NASDAQ futures pushing up. The end of the world with the U.S. dollar. Gold dropping. Silver can't get going. And the equity markets are still pushing higher. Go figure. Go figure. Go figure, right? Go figure. Silver's up $7, $5 since we came in. So when you see this pattern here, so you can see gold right here. The oversold condition. This is the long right here on gold. I short this gold again here, 61.5 to 68.5 range. You see this gold on the pullback right here? Beautiful. We need the market to crash. That's what we, if the 30s reverse, you got to buy the pullbacks. 60s still negative here. All right, bigger time frames. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes the words just hypnotize me. You can't short what? Why can't you short gold? Silver hit the 110.05 to 45. I'd short it. Gets up there again. See if this gold can drop. Jesus, gold was trading 48, 49.83. Try shorting gold. I think it's a short here for a pullback. 5,300 first. Oof. That would suck. Denny's here. What do you mean? I want to see you short it. I'm going to short it right here. Let's see if the silver, this right now, this silver, this gold. There you go, in and out on silver. I think it's going to crash again. Gold, look to cover the gold anywhere between the 61.80 and the 65.80 range. Look at the gold drop. Look at the gold drop. Oh my God, look at this gold drop. Wow. Look at the gold drop. I told you it was going to drop. Silver dropping here. Captain Price. 49.83. That was the low. I tried to look at this gold and silver kabooshed. Well, that was fun. You said you dared me to short it. I shorted it. You talking to me on that? I don't know. You talking to me? You talking to me? Gold just got kabooshed. Oh, yeah, baby. You know, it's funny how many people have called me over the weekend, the last week, and said, thank you so much for really bringing gold and silver. I said, wait a minute, what about platinum and copper? Right? Yeah, my Hendrix is home today. You're short 50, 70. I would have covered. The 5 just turned positive, so you have a double blue. You want to try to buy a pullback here. I want to see silver really pull in here, though. I want to see the daily get oversold here. I want to see silver. If silver can just get between 85 and 90, oh my Lord. Smash the likes, baby. So the algorithm reversed to buy. You want to buy a pullback here. You want to see if the oscillator can do this here. Boom. And then pink. Right up. You want to trade copper? Let's look at copper tonight. Let's see what's copper doing. All right. Really doesn't move much, though. Anybody get that gold short? S&Ps, NASDAQ pushing up to new highs. Go figure. The U.S. dollar is buckus. And you got the S&Ps making new highs. Go figure. The U.S. dollar right here collapsed. Let's look at the DAX, the DX, the dollar. U.S. dollar just dropped about 2 points here. The dollar index. Okay, the dollar index. Now you want to try to get a bounce here. So I think this bounce here produces the pullback on gold and silver. And when this gets overbought, then you get the pullback for the long on gold and silver, and you just buy them. Right? Good job, Thomas. Great job. Shorting silver where? 67. Oh, I don't know what that means. Anybody new here wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream? Just text me your full name and email, 914-500-7484. All right. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me. All right. Okie dokie. Microsoft up 3 after the close here. Meta up 1. See if there's gold and silver. Jesus. How about silver? 117.70 drops all the way down to 102. I hope not gold. I hope, hey, Mr. Freeze, this is delayed data anyway on this. I want to see if gold can pull in here on the daily. It got down right here to, actually it traded lower than that. Here, 49.83. I'd like to see the gold do something like this. And then boink. I'd like to see 4,900, something like that here. Somewhere in there. I don't know what's going to make it drop. That's what I really like to do. I want to see this gold pull in here, 48.50, 48.90, 4,900, and blink, push up. I mean, look at these longs here. Another bull flag, daily, boom. Beautiful bull flag, dink. Unbelievable. And just to think, gold was below 4,000 right here for a blip. Was it here? Or was it? It was here, right? I think it was here. No, it was here. Yep. Back in November. Everyone's like, gold's going to 3,200. I'm like, what are you, crazy? What are you, bananas? What are you, nuts? All right. What's up, Mr. Freeze? I mean, so many gaps below the market, though. Let's see here. Silver is up literally $6 since we came on here. I mean, I would probably take the short here on silver. Right here. 110.69 up to 111.09. You got to go 40 wide. You got to go. Told me 10 days ago what? Oh, I remember that. They were calling for 3,200. And this silver, when it hit 68, like about 2 weeks ago, where was it? Right here? 68? Yep, 69. I said, what are you, crazy? Now look at this thing. If you're short, look to cover below 60 on silver. No, I 25 points VWAP. I go 30, 35 points. So basically, I would probably short the NASDAQ 25,000, like 915 up to 45. That's probably more realistic. And you scale in on that. Anybody? Remember, we're going to do a raffle tonight. You guys have to have a MyFundedFutures account. And you have to be here at 9:50 when I do the raffle. Please, let's go. I want to wake up one morning and just have gold be down 300. That would be awesome. You know, Papa Trump doesn't like when gold goes up either. So they're planning on doing something. I want to see silver down like 30. Oof. See gold, silver like down 30. Boom. Oh, yeah. 20 lots on a 6-point, 600 Gs. It's easy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. My system is down right now. My system is down. I would put them up here. Silver's going to drop. I got to move the, got to get this over here. And plus my system is down here. Got to move it over, a new one. This gold's dropping here. Silver's dropping. Silver just dropped 50 cents here. I wouldn't short gold here, Zell. I would wait for a pullback to go long. Copper is very slow. What do you mean 5 cents? That's not 5 cents. 110.75, that's 50 cents. Why is silver not a short at 112? You got nothing but sell divergences here. Right here. But if these 60s and 30s reverse to buy, you gotta buy pullbacks. You gotta buy the pullback on the 15. The pullback on the 5, then the second pullback, right? This gold's gonna go. I want to see if gold and silver can get another push down to go along. You want to buy this gold. This gold off the 15 went from 50.10 to 50.60, ran $53 like nothing. Why can't you take it off? All right, we have the raffle tonight. We're going to do 10 giveaways here. 10 giveaways. I want to see if this gold and silver can set up longs on the 5. Pull back on the 5, and then you get the push up, then you get the pull back on the 15. If the 30 and 60 is reversed upon, they look like they're going to. Hey, Junior Cabrera, how are you? I remember last time I tried to say something yesterday. I'll just take care of my gold short. What's up, Captain Price? Get in there. Got to get this pullback. You guys remember we only have about 29 minutes for the giveaway. To make sure your names are in there. Holding the silver short. Well, you want to get a pullback on the silver. On the 5-minute, I'd like to see if it can get down maybe to the 46.5, 52.5, or 45.5, 51.5 range. See if this gold can drop here. Again, you see the 5-minute time frame reversing to buy the. So I want to see the 5-minute get oversold here on silver. I don't look at candles. I don't like playing options in something like this. The only way I would play options is truthfully, okay, is if silver gets to a deep oversold condition on the daily, then I would look to buy it. Yeah, your girlfriend's lit, right? Hey, Nick LaSalle, what's going on, Nick? Okay, here's the silver dropping, the gold's dropping. All right, let's see if this silver can drop. I'm still hoping that this gold can drop down to the maybe 46.5, 52.5 range. Look at a silver drop. Told you this drop was coming. Silver's still about $1.50 away from the 10 bar. So if this silver, where's this low here? I'd like to see if, where's this low here? Nah, it's not getting there. Down 5. I want to see if the silver can drop. Got to wait for indicator 3 to get oversold. Banks got stuck in this in the 20s. What are you talking about? No 30s. 80s, I mean. Hey, what's up? How'd it go with Hendricks? He's okay?
Good, yeah, he's fine.
All right.
Just waiting for him to come back.
They still out with him?
No, they're back.
Like the silver and gold is going to get another push up. You may not get that push down. Jesus, silver. Damn it. You're going to get another push up. If this silver pushes down to probably the 0920 to 0960, that might be too far. Yeah, well, why don't we go? I'd like to see it drop 60 cents. I don't know if that's going to happen. See this oscillator? This oscillator gets oversold. Silver's going to push up to 110.80. Watch. Oh, I agree. Just ran 60 cents already. See if we get any pullback here. All right. 15 to Jackal. How are you? Nick LaSalle. What's going on, Nick? If this gold gets down to the 49.5, 55.5, I would take the long. It doesn't matter. Oh. No, I'm looking for a pullback for a long on gold. I would not short it. Okay, you guys have approximately, where are we here? 22 minutes. So I don't want to hear it. Oh, how do you join? That's that. 2600, forgive me. See if this gold can drop. Actually, I'd lower the gold. 40, I go like 47.5 to 53.5. Yeah, NASDAQ. Go figure the US dollar is getting killed and our stock market's still up. If that ain't going to kill the stock market, I don't know what will. Right? You're up 840. Good job. How do you enter the giveaway? Light Skin Lee. Okay, you have to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube, and you have to go and sign up. Okay? Or you can go to I think you go to my page and sign up too here. It's 8 degrees. Where's that 8 degrees? Look at this. Look at this gold drop. Here comes the gold dropping. Silver won't drop. This gold should get one more push up on the double blue here. Silver, again, I probably looked up for the silver anywhere between probably the 35 and 40, 75 range. 3 degrees in Virginia. -3 in Virginia. Gold should get one more push up here, Nick. Anybody new here today? Anybody new? 7 degrees in Chicago. I saw people in Chicago walking on Lake Michigan. Were they crazy? I want to be caught dead walking on Lake Michigan. Look at this silver drop. Gold just dropped. Oh, yeah, baby. About 19. No. I knew this gold silver was going to drop. Uh-oh. I think my internet. Brother. Okay, gold should get one more push up here. Silver just dropped about $1 off the highs. Silver right here. Look at sell the silver 60 up to 75.80. Gold 51 up to 53, 54, 55. Should get another push up. If you're new, you could text me. You're from Indiana. 8 degrees. Lower time frames. There goes the gold. Got to get the silver to push up. Man, I want to wake up one morning. I want to see gold down 300. I don't want to see silver. Oh, Pensacola, Florida. It's up north. Oh, yeah. This silver just got kabooshed off the highs here. Now, the 30-minute reverse to buy on silver. So this is a set strategy. Silver just dropped $1.20. There goes the gold right back up. No, I don't think they're going to lower interest rates. There goes the silver right back up. Gold right back up. Silver and gold. Winner, winner, winner. Look at the gold rally. Look at the silver. I told you that's a set strategy. When the 30 reverse to buy, you buy the pullback on the 5. Gold and silver. Mikey Jacques, get in there. There you go. All right. That was a great pattern right there on gold and silver. And they haven't even turned up yet. CPI. We got the PPI out on Friday, though. Silver especially. Good job. The CPI, I think the CPI is the same. Well, it's what, 2.7 right now? Yes, you buy the pullback. That's why I called the long on the silver and gold. I say the rates stay the same. If this silver drops down to the 55, 108.65 to 109.05, you should get one more push up on silver here. Yes, both time frames reverse to buy. Here's the problem, though, right? You're going to get one more push up on the 5, but then the 30 and 60-minute time frames are going to kaboosh silver. I'm telling you, be careful here. Silver just ran 10. If you look here, you can see the 30-minute getting overbought here. That's a bear flag, okay? So you may get one more push down, and then on this push down, on the deep oversold condition on the 15 is where I would look to buy silver. So you're hoping for one more push up, push down, another push up, and then get the 30-minute time frames to roll over. Where's Hendricks anyway?
No.
He's at the house?
Yeah.
Inside the house?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's on the couch.
He's on the couchy?
Snug as a bug on the rug.
Oh, yeah. Gold and silver. Silver just ran 60 cents. What a long. Damn it. Beautiful. Missed it by a nickel. Anybody get the long on silver on their own? Good job on the gold. I'm just hoping for gold to drop. Hopefully maybe 48.50. Ugh. Marshalize. Good job, Marshalize. So if the silver gets down, probably down to the 108.70 to 109.10, I'll probably look to buy it again here. Gold, if gold gets down to probably the, I would say the 43.5, 49.5 range, I look to buy the gold, scalp into that. You bought 0.09. Good job. All right. Remember, we have the raffle. We have 12 minutes. You guys have 12 minutes to get your names in for that, for the 10 free, the 10 free ones that MyFundedFutures is going to give out tonight. 10 free. Yep. Silver, amazing. Right back up. There goes, forget it. There goes gold and silver right back up. Silver just ran 80 cents. So this strategy is the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame after the 30-minute reverse to buy correlating with the 15. An absolute Picasso. And there goes the gold up 10. Right? You got to go to the link above. I believe we have a link above in the SK Trading YouTube to subscribe for the MyFundedFutures giveaway. All right. I cancel the buy on the gold and the silver. What a long. What the hell's an ABC down? Silver's up. Look at this silver. Up $1.15. There goes the gold. What a long. Gold just ran 14, $1.40. Long from 95.10. What, you talking gold? Hey, Kevin. 95.10 what? The high was 117.70. Memphis is 13 degrees. I can't believe it. Insane. All right. You guys better sign up. 9 more minutes for the raffle. That was a beautiful pattern on the silver. Man, oh, man.
Still going.
Just ran $1.30. Gold, got the gold. Missed the silver by a nickel. No arguing here. You still long NQ raising? All right. That's a great long. That's a great long. What's up, Black Swan Lake? How are you? All right. NASDAQ making new highs. Can you believe this? NASDAQ's making new highs. The U.S. dollar is falling apart. Oh, no. I mean, you guys have to have real names in the YouTube. Okay? Well, you got to enter on the, you got to enter. Look at the silver. What a beautiful bull flag. Look at this, right into the 10 bar. 109.10. Look at this silver. First pullback on the 5 minute after the 30 reversed to buy. Correlating. Look at the 30. See that? So now once this pushes up, these 30-minute time frames could get caboose. This is a bear flag setting up here on the 30. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Market is rigged. Oh, absolutely. Are you kidding me? I've been saying that for 30 years. Maybe, oh, 40. I'll be 44 years in the game this August 1st. So I would say about 42 years I've been saying it. Nick, when are you going to come visit me, Nick? Oh, yeah. It's impossible, NQ Raisin. It's impossible. So you think silver's going to 67? I like to see silver pull in first and gold and then back up the truck. But it's not good. Well, this August 1st will be 44 years. It's not good having a weak dollar. I'm telling you right now. Yeah, I want. Well, what do I want on silver? I want to see silver pull in here. I want to see the daily get oversold. I want to see silver get to like, what's the low here? 90. Be nice to see this gap filled. 86. Maybe this gap filled here. What's this gap? 75. Oof, that would be a gift. Oh my God. If silver can drop 45 from here, oh my God, that would be a gift. Get a deep over. What you want is a deep oversold condition on silver. Why silver and gold? Because of the dollar, the US dollar. And plus, silver has other reasons. All right. You guys got 2 minutes to sign up for the giveaway. We're doing 10. And I'm telling you, make sure your names are names I can read. The market needs to drop 50%. What, you mean talking gold or silver? Or you're talking the equity markets? It's right on top. You got to create the link. It was sent out early. You have to establish a MyFundedFutures account first. If you don't see the link, you got to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube, sign up. Next year, silver. Can we just get it past the week? Then you're good to go if you have an account. Wait a minute. Hold on 1 second. Jim Cramer said sell silver. Oh my God, it'll be 200 bid. You guys ever hear the story about me and Jim Cramer?
What's the story?
So Jim Cramer came to my office back in right when he started thestreet.com, and he was working with Larry Kudlow and Kudlow and Cramer. Remember those days? Let me see what the silver is doing. Silver just rallied, and then it got kabooshed. Do you remember those days, Kudlow and Cramer? Yeah, I know him. So he comes to my office, and I'm getting my algorithms are popping off alerts in the oil service stocks like Smith International, Weatherford, Schlumberger, Halliburton, all the big names, right? He says, nah, I don't agree with this. I said, okay. I said, they're trades for the next 3 to 5 days. And by the way, everyone worked out big, right? So then he says, what's that? And I said, oh, Valero just popped up. And then Chevron, then Exxon, right? And he said to me, nah, I don't agree with that. So that night I get home and I'm watching Kudlow and Cramer. And towards the end of the show, he recommends the oil service stocks. I swear to God, true story. Hand on the Bible. Okay? And then on Friday, he says the stock of the year is going to be Valero. And believe it or not, Valero was the #1 stock in the S&P that year. It made him famous. Now, kudos to him. I didn't think my stock, Valero, was, I was just calling along for the next 3 to 5 days. It went from like 63.26 up to like 68, 69. And then eventually shot up to 80s. Hand on the Bible. Gold 5,400. Well, I want to see you get to 4,900 first. What's the stock of this year? It's probably going to have to be the SLVs or SIVR. I mean, silver is up, what, 40% year to date without even today? It's right now, it's down 5%. Silver and gold. Silver is up, what, 40% year to date. Gold was up 15% year to date before today. Good job on the silver short, J Slims. I just want to wake up and see gold down 250 points. I'll be the happiest right from this level. 4,800. I'd be the happiest guy.
And then you buy it all.
I start building a position, a big position. And I would build a big position. Like even if it went down to 4,500, I'd be monster position. Good job on a silver drop. It just dropped about $1. Yep. We'll see what happens here. Look at the NASDAQ. How is the NASDAQ making new highs? This is another one, eighth wonder of the world. When the dollar's crashing. Hey, Yolov. What would stop be if you built your big position? Your stop get hitting the long and what? NASDAQ? Iceman? Or in silver or gold? Silver and gold. If this gold gets down to the 42.5, 7.5 range, I'll look to buy it. Just ricochet right back up 5. Buy the dip on silver? Yeah, on the 15-minute time frame. Hendricks is back, right? Because my son's saying he's not back at the house.
Hendricks?
Yeah, you were there when you left?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's on the couch.
Okay. That's my boy. Authorities discovered 700 million in suitcases attempted to be taken out of the country. Oh my God.
700 million?
700 million. Yep. Wow, look at the gold right back up.
And Q's making new highs.
Yep. Earnings reports this yet? Yeah.
Completely.
Wow, the gold just rallied 10. Damn it. That gold just rallied 10 just now. You see that? Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Wow, 43.5. Just ran 14. Damn it. Look at that. Damn it. Anybody buy the gold there? Just ran 15. Forget about it. It happened really fast on the gold long. Wow. Oh my God. Gold just ran. Oh my God. Claudia, you bought it? Good job. It just ran 16 on gold. How could you lose on a long on gold? What short are you talking about? Where is this NASDAQ? Wow, look at that. That was a great long there. This fucking gold. All right, let's see if this gold can drop one more time here. Now, if you look at the silver reversed to buy not only on the 30, but also reversed to buy on the 60-minute time frame. So the strategy is you want to buy the pullback, okay? It's 9:10 Eastern, correct? You want to buy the pullback on the 15-minute time frame. Oh, great job, Claudia. You could short some NASDAQ here, 945 up to 70.75. I don't know what the S&Ps are right now. Yeah, they use trading views rated high, but it is very expensive. Look at this gold. Jesus Christ, 46 to 62. Well, yeah, what they're going to use is the trading view 30-day free trial, and then I think they're going to switch to Ninja.
I don't know.
No. See, the problem is with Canadian is that TradeStation doesn't offer their services in Canada. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me no more questions, and I won't tell you no lies. That's the right way to do it, to get a TradeStation account. But Canada, you can't get it. And I only built it on TradingView and TradeStation and on Ninja. And with Ninja, it's very, very hard No, I'm talking about my chart overlay. Really? Ninja's hard in most of the country? I didn't know that. I think natural gas exploded today, right? Then it got kabooshed. Where's natural gas? Right here. Oh, from $1.78? Really? Come on, man. To $4. Oh my God. What's Boyle do? Oh my Lord. Boyle, $15. This thing's going to do a reverse split.
Oil?
No, ZSL. All right, see if this gold and silver can get kabooshed. Now don't ask me no more questions. You think Pablo, Jimi Hendrix, and Pablo Picasso? Yeah, you're probably right. See if this silver can get one more. Captain Price.
Oh.
What?
Silver.
Just ran?
I had a long position. Holy shit. Look at that.
If this silver gets above the 1105 to 45.50, I'd short it. Take a scalp short. Again, you're making new highs, the non-confirmations here on the 30 and 60. There you go. The silver get up there. Here we go. Hit 05. Here goes the gold. Silver right back up. Anybody sign up? Caboose, NASDAQ, grass? No. Caboose is with a K, not a C. I think Trade Evade's pretty damn good. Anybody use this Project X? Anybody? You warn me about what? Kaboom, silver. Look at this silver right from here, from the lows. 04. Jesus. Was it 04 and change? 04.24. Look to cover the silver anywhere between the 83 and 93 range. 110, 83 and one own par 03. 101.03 to 110.83 if you're short. Let's get this gold to drop. Come on. These 15s and 30-minute time frames, you got big bear flags setting up here on silver on the bigger time frames. Project S is terrible. I never even heard it. I never even seen it.
It's
Oh. All right, silver's dropping. Look at the silver drop. Silver just dropped. There you go. There you go. Yes, sir. Silver just got cabooshed. All right, silver just dropped 40 cents. Come on, drop gold. All right. Anybody get the short in silver? Should have shorted the gold too. Gold just dropped. My birthday is February 10th. I'll be 63. Can you believe it? Down goes gold. There. Man, I'd love to see. NASDAQ, well, I'd probably like to get a pullback first on the NASDAQ before that happens. Anybody new here? Anybody new? If anybody new wants access to my 5-day free trial, please text me with your full name and email. I'll send you a code for a 5-day free trial to my live stream every day from 8:30 to 4. Also, I have a podcast every night on SK Trading YouTube called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Please watch that. You got to wait for the 15-minute time frame. When these 15-minute time frames pull in here on silver, you're going to get this and then boink, boof, a boom. Okay? There you go. You got this. Hey, Sam. How are you, Sam? Great job. Gold. I want to see gold. Yes, I want to see gold pull in on the 15 again here. If you look at gold futures, look at the silver right back up. I want to see if this gold here. So gold reversed to buy here. Again, now the strategy is you want to buy the pullback on the 5, but then you want to really buy the pullback on the 15. You want to get the pullback on the 15 for the long. You want to see something like this, and then gold should push up again. Silver, gold, right back up. Bitcoin up 500. Anybody trade crypto here? 950 tonight. We're going to do the raffle. 950. Nice flying by here, though. I'll tell you that. See if this silver and gold can get one more push down here off the 30s. Unbelievable, the NASDAQ. So what do we have this week? We have Amazon, we have Apple, we have Meta, we have Tesla. Tesla got cabooshed today. It's let's see here. This NASDAQ should drop here. You got to get a nice pullback. The 15s and the 30s are getting way overbought on the NASDAQ. If you short the NASDAQ, look to cover between the 35 and 50 range. Is ES a short? What a long, though. What a beautiful long on the S&Ps off the 15 here. Oof. I mean, off the 60s. Look at the 60-minute long. 60-minute reverses to buy. Look at this beautiful bull flag right here. Oh, my Lord. 72, ran 10. I ran 20. That's a Picasso right there. The 60 Seahawks are going to win. So 60-minute reverses to buy right here. Okay, pushes up. You wait for the pullback. You get the deep oversold condition into the positive MACD. There's 21 points. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and 4 hours. Not bad. Not bad. 21 up. 21 up. Beautiful. Beautiful pattern. Yeah, but I don't have my chart overlay built on TradingView. That's what the reference is about. Okay. Man, oh man, the NASDAQ just shot right up. NASDAQ's dropping here again. Look to cover the NASDAQ between, I would say, the 40 and 50 range. Forget the 35. NASDAQ getting, oh no, I said to short the NASDAQ. I said 45 up to 75 before. I said look to short it. Wow, great job trading for keep. Great job. There goes the NASDAQ. I just like to know where the stop orders are in gold. Oof, forget it. The stop orders on gold. Got to try to figure out. Well, look at the NASDAQ drop. Let's see silver. I took it down here like an idiot. Let's see what silver is doing. I think silver is getting overbought into these negative MACDs. I would like to see silver drop and get an oversold condition on the 15. I would love to see that. S&Ps should get one more push down here. I mean 4 to 5 maybe. That's about it, if that. There goes the gold right back up again. I think this gold's a short, 68.5 to 74.5. I'd short this gold, 68.5, 74.5 range. All right, we have about 20 minutes before I do the raffle. Hope you guys signed up. MyFundedFutures, great prop firm, the best. There goes the gold and silver right back up. I gotta stand for this here. I'm going to do the raffle here. Hope you guys signed up for the raffle. All right, NASDAQ. You really want a nice pullback on the NASDAQ on the 15. I don't know if we're going to get it in time here. If you're short the gold, look to cover between 63 and 66 if you're short on the gold. The silver is just drop 30. I'd be so happy. Gold dropped to 4,800. I'd be ecstatic. There you go. Anybody short the gold? They'll just get up to 68.5. 60, what did I say? 68.5. Yep. Gold just dropped 4. Where's the gold stops? 43. What do you say? 49.90. Down to 49.30. Gold hit 49.83 today. So I don't know what you're talking. I don't know. Maybe Maybe you see something I don't see. Willie, can somebody help Willie? All right, anybody new here today? Anybody new? If you're new and you want a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you could just text me with your full name and email, 914-500-7484. NASDAQ pushing up to new highs. That's why I said I cover shorts. The ADXs are rising on the 5 and the 15. Take this off. You think the NASDAQ can pull into 25,885? It could. want to see the market drop here. I mean, really drop. So going into tomorrow, the SLVs are negative on the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame with my algorithm on indicator 4. So you're gonna, even if you do get any push up, I still think silver, once it broke 100, I'd like to see it pull into 85, 80 range. Yeah, gold, I'd short the gold here. 70 up to like 76, 77. You got to go wide on the gold. It just hit 70 just now. 70 and a half. And what's silver doing here? Silver just seems like it just can't get going. I mean, this silver, if you just look at the bigger time frame, you can see silver is still $19 above the 10 bar. Look at the weekly. Oh, forget it. You're $41 above the weekly. Can you believe silver here? Look at this, 33, 46. How about even here? 29. Can you imagine 29 on silver? Again, if this silver gets up to 111.05 to 45.50, I'd short it for a scalp against the 30 and the 60-minute time frame. This is a bear flag on the 60-minute time frame on silver. Gold just dropped 5. Gold just dropped 5. Silver, what did it just get up to? Oh, no, that's not it. That was a push up right here. Missed it by 0.3. All right. Don't ask me no more questions, and I won't tell you no lies. Oh, there goes the gold. So gold rallied from the low off the 15-minute time frame right when we started. I believe it got down to 50.10, and then it kaboomed northward. All right, 10 minutes for the raffle. I hope everybody signed up. We're going to do 10 giveaways here. We're going to do 10 giveaways. Tomorrow I have to go to the eye doctor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have to get my eyes checked. Look at this gold right back up. Jesus. Yeah, I said, look to short gold, 70, 70 and a half to 77, 77 and a half range. All right. Okay. All right, we're going to do the giveaway here in about 6 minutes. 8 minutes, sorry. See if this gold can drop. Silver can't get going here. What did they roll out to April for? They rolled to April? Nah, that's crazy. All right, this gold, when you see the silver here on the 60-minute time frame, this is a big bear flag. I cancel the short up there. Gold, look to cover any gold between the 65.5 and 70.5 range. The gold has the almost identical same pattern here. If you look at gold here, you can see big bear. What?
Gold just pumped down and then pumped right back up.
You're short?
Yeah.
I thought you said you met your quota. You couldn't do it.
It's a new day.
Hmm.
That gold's unstoppable.
I have no idea where they stopped the core plans. I still think this gold is gonna drop here off these bigger time frames. Same thing with silver. If this silver gets up to the 111.10 up to 40.50 range, that scalp is short. This bear flag should start kicking in here. And plus you got a 91 overbought reading on the 30-minute time frame on silver. I guess there'll be new plans coming out. I guess they stopped the core plan, I guess. All right, we're going to do the raffles in about 5 minutes, so I hope you guys signed up. That was a double blue buy before on the 2100 when gold got down to the 4600 level. Claudia, great job on that. Yeah. I want to see pencils down on gold and silver. Just pencil down. Wow, look at the silver drop. Jesus. Just got up to 1104 again. Damn it. Just dropped 50 cents. You could look to cover silver anywhere between the 65.5 and 71.5 range. I'm telling you, these 30s and 60s are going to drop. Look at it, silver. Silver's down 60. Gold dropping, silver cabooshed. Telling you, that was a beautiful. I missed it by 6 cents.
Which one?
Silver, I said 111.10. And the first one was 111.05, and it made up to 04.5. Now don't ask me no more questions. Anybody new here wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream? Please text me your full name and email. I have a bunch of people here already. All right. Down and then right back up, silver. Oh, Jesus, this gold right back up. $49.90. All right, let me just look at these GLDs really quick here. I'm gonna look at these GLDs on the daily here. For 49.30. This is Jeez, look at this gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 major gaps. Oof. All right, let's do it. Here's the raffle, everybody. Let's do it. Okay, so please pay attention. Okay. All right. Cash. Cash. K-A-S-H. Are you here? Cash. I don't know what counts we're giving away. So, Cash, are you here? Got to give you 30 seconds. Okay, he's here. 1. Let's do it. I can't even read this. Jishangful. Jishangful? J-I Shangful? J-I Shangful? Come on, my brain hurts. Jishangful? Are you here? I got to give it a little bit. Jishangful? I don't see him. I wait another 10. Jishangful, are you here? J-I-S-H-A-N-G full, F-U-L. Next. Text me your full name and email. Just text me your email. Mitch Hart 4582. Mitch Hart 4582. Mitch Hart 4582. Mitch Hart. Mitch Hart, are you here? No, Mitch Hart. Oh, he's here. That's 2. Trade for breach. Trade for breach. Trade for breach. Trade for breach. That's good. That's 3. Did you register?
Yeah. I never won.
Eddie Sargent 6841. Eddie Sargent 6841. No super. Eddie Sargent, look at the gold drop. Eddie Sargent 6841. Are you here, Eddie Sargent? Eddie, past his bedtime. Next. Mike HS55. Mike HS55. Look at this gold drop. Oh, thank God. Mike HS55. Mike HS55. Going once. Going twice. Next. Sarah Trades 0728. Sarah Trades 0728. Sarah Trades 0728.
Yeah, she's here.
Okay, good. She's here. Jay Jerson 07. Jay Jerson 07. Jay Jerson 07. Jay Jerson, are you here? Jay Jerson?
Yeah, here.
She's here?
Yeah.
How do you see it? I don't. Oh, it just popped up.
In the comments, yeah.
Future Analyst 14. Futures Analyst 14. Futures Analyst 14. Futures Analyst 14. Are you here?
I don't see it.
No?
Oh, yeah.
He's here?
Yeah, there.
There you go. Congratulations, Futures Analyst.
I missed that thing about a cent.
On the short?
Well, I've done the bounce back up.
Johnny S22. Love these new names. Johnny S22. Johnny S22. Johnny S. Oh, Johnny S. Johnny S. Next. You'll get an email, futures analyst. What the hell is this? Yusuf John Y? Yusuf John Y. Y-U-S-U-F-J-O-N-Y. Yusuf John Y. Yusuf John. Not bad, no. Yusuf John. Going once. Going twice. Next. Cam Trades Futures. Cam Trades Futures. Cam Trades. This is for free giveaways. Cam Trades Futures. Cam Trades. You see her? Must be because Denny spun it. Okay. Can't speak. Profextrem. 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 Good Lord. You see her? You're too late to get in. Yes, you have to sign up before 9 o'clock. You see her? Profextrem. Next. The DJ Day Trader. The DJ Day Trader. The DJ Day Trader. The DJ Day Trader. We got 3 more to go here. Yo, DJ. Going once. Going twice. Next. He's here?
No. He said, wake up, bro, please.
What the hell is this? Jean Carlos Pena Moralo. Oh my God. 9421. Jean Carlos Pena Moralo. 9421. My God, there's every letter in the alphabet. Look at this. Jean Carlos Pena Moralo.
Gene Carlos is here.
Gene, he's here?
Yeah.
All right, congratulations. I can't say it again. It's 2 more. Not bad. Oh my God. It's hysterical. What's this? Horseshack? What's this? Hassan. Oh my God. See, this should be banned. Hassanachk. Hassanachk. My Lord. How do you say that? Hassanachk. Hassanak? Can't be. Hassanachk. Banned. Oh my God. Every letter in the alphabet. Oh my God. Not Hassanic chicken. Come on. Gold just got kaboosh. Please drop another 190 points. Next. Option Man 20. That's an easy one. Option Man 20. Are you here? Options Man. Oh, Hassanek's here? Do we give it to him? I don't know what the rules are.
It's pretty late.
That's pretty late. Nope. I don't know. That's not my decision. That's my MyFundedFutures decision. Okay? It's 30 seconds. I waited 30 seconds, Hassanaki. Options Man 20.
Options Man's here.
All right. I think that's it. We one more? Rupee trades. Rupee trades. RUPI trades. Rupee trades. RUPI trades. Are you here? Rupee trades. I think this is our 10th one. Rupee trades. Are you here? Oh, rupee. Rupee. I gave you more than 30 seconds, Hashanaka. Come on. I understand. Well, okay. Rupee trades. Going once. Going twice. Next. My fund to markets. Mindful to markets. Mindful to markets. Mindful to markets. What's not fair? This is a ridiculous way of making sure people are here to be on it. They are, right? Okay. I don't know. I'm calling out names. Mindful to markets. Anybody? Next. Oh, he's here? No. I'm here, mindful. Okay. Is he here? Mindful to markets? Yep, he's here. Okay, I think that's it. All right. All right, I want to thank everybody. I want to thank MyFundedFutures for tonight. I want to thank Denny. I want to thank all of you for being here. I'll see you all tomorrow night. Again, be careful trading the gold and silver. Again, always use your stops. Again, if anybody ever wants a free trial to my Discord every single day, you just text me your full name and email.
Wait. I want to go ahead and settle something right now.
Uh-oh.
All of y'all who are in this stream with us know how this giveaway is done. You've been here long enough to know how it is done. Mindful to markets. If it says up here, remove all instances, that means your name has been entered here more than once. I've seen it twice tonight. Twice. Two people's names was entered twice up here. That's not how it works. Everybody here knows how it works. Not only that, I go through and I look through everybody's name. If I do not see your name when it is called on the screen, as the chat is going on, you just don't win. I'm going to go back and check to see if Hassanich was here when his name was called. If y'all can't give me time to do that, then I'm not going to give it to you. If it's going to keep going on like this, where everybody's complaining about how the giveaway is done, I'm just going to lower the giveaways back down to 5.
You heard it from the man. Okay. All right. Thank you, everybody, for joining me tonight. Thank you, Denny. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you all. Again, if you like a 5-day free trial, please text me at 914-500-7484. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. Remember, have a great day tomorrow, and God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop lost graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.